Hey everybody, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I have a cup of coffee with me. I thought I'd do a quick little chit chat to kind of give you an update as to where everything is going in my life right now. As you can see, I have boxes here and I'm going to show you a clip of what my bedroom actually looks like right now. It is sort of like a war zone. I have boxes all over my bedroom, all over the side of my bed, all in my closet. If you look in my closet, you can see most of my clothes are now packed, but I'm going to leave a couple here still because we're going to be going back and forth for a little while until I get everything straightened out. When you start going through your clothing and your makeup and your skincare and your knickknacks in your house and all the crap that you have accumulated. I've only been here for, I think, maybe four, almost 5 years. I think I came in 2014 and then we bought the house. I think we bought the house the following year, so 2015. I've only been in this house for about 5 years and it's scary to see the amount of crap I have accumulated. I mean, this is so scary. I have vowed that when I go to the new house, and I will show you my new house once I get there. When I go to the new house in February, I am going to make sure I don't start buying stuff. I don't even think I'm going to have too many wall hangings on my walls. I'm going to keep it sort of as minimalistic as I possibly can because I don't want to do this to my kids. My kids, if I would die, would have so much crap to have to go through. I mean, they would need to get like the junk guys to come by and just throw all this garbage in, and I don't want to do that to my boys. So this is going to be kind of a wake-up call for me. I am going to try to just purchase more things that I really like and enjoy, but I'm definitely not going to fill my house with a bunch of stuff because it just is so overwhelming. Right now, I am so overwhelmed by all my stuff. I feel like I have so many boxes of things packed, but then when I look around, I still have crap in my drawers. I still have stuff on my vanity. It's sort of like, where is all this stuff coming from? It's scary. In 2021, one of the things I'm definitely going to do is try to live more a minimalistic life, more when it comes to purchasing things for my home. I really don't want any more knickknacks or dust collectors in my house. My husband and I drove over to Goodwill. We gave them so many things, drove to the Humane Society in Boulder, gave them so many things. I think I had a whole bag of leashes and dog carriers, just so many different things that my dogs have outgrown. I drove down there and donated those. And then what else did we do yesterday? I drove somewhere else to donate something. I can't remember where else I went. It's going to go to a good cause, but then you think about it, you think all these clothes, like, I don't know, accumulating in landfills or wherever they accumulate. All I know is I'm going to cut back in 2021. It's just too much junk. What else has been happening in my life? Oh, the other very exciting thing is I've participated, or I am currently participating in a COVID-19 vaccine trial for Johnson & Johnson. My son is adamant that he wants all of us to get the vaccine, so he's been hunting and looking around for any places that are doing I think it's called Ensemble 2. I think that's the name of the trial. It really is a 2-year trial. I think it's to determine whether or not Johnson & Johnson's vaccine is going to be a 1-dose or a 2-dose vaccine. We're in the 2-dose trial currently. If Johnson & Johnson gets FDA approval for emergency, distribution, then the trial will be stopped, I believe, and we will be unblinded. It's a double-blind trial they're doing, and apparently I think we will be first in line for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine if we were not one of the people that got it. So I got a shot. I don't know whether I got a placebo or the vaccine. After the shot, I think the only thing I had was a headache. I mean, that could be just power of suggestion. You may get a headache. Okay, I have a headache. I really don't know whether or not I got the shot or not, but it was really fun participating in this trial. The people were wonderful, really sweet people at the center. We'll see. I am involved in that currently right now. So I'm going to have to be making trips back and forth from Arizona to Colorado to get my blood drawn, to check for antibodies and things like that. We'll see how things go. That's only if, though, they decide to keep the trial going. It all depends on how well, or how, what's the word I want to say, the efficacy of the one shot doses for Johnson & Johnson. If it is above, I think, 70 or 75% effective against COVID-19, I think that's the percentage, then they will stop the trial and then just give people the one shot of Johnson & Johnson. We'll see what happens with that. I'm trying to think, what else do I want to tell you guys? Oh, I have 2 new products I wanted to show you. The one I have is from Good Molecules, and I wish I could show you the container, but I cannot find it right now because I packed it somewhere in this mass of boxes that I have right now, and I cannot freaking find where I put this eye cream at. Let me see if I can get the info on it. Okay, so here is the info on it, and I'll show you me actually putting this on my eyes because it feels so good. It is probably one of the best feeling I don't know necessarily if I want to call it a cream. It feels like a cream, but it looks like a gel. And what it's called is Urbermate. It's called the Urbermate Wake Up Eye Gel. It's only $6. It gets 5 stars on their website. And what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to energize tired, puffy eyes. It's a very soothing gel. The ingredients are Urbermate extract. What that is it's a natural antioxidant. So it contains antioxidants, it contains polyphenols, and it's supposed to help fight against oxidative damage on your skin. It's supposed to brighten the eye area and also really soothe the eye area. And that's what I felt when I put this on my eyes. You're going to see my wrinkles. I'm going to apply this gel, and it's almost like it smooths out the wrinkles around my eyes. The best way to describe it is it's so cushiony. It is one of the most cushiony eye gels that I have. But what they said is the Urbermate is a legendary tree from South America that's known for its powers to stimulate the mind and body. It's also a natural source of rich antioxidants and polyphenols. Like I said, when used in skincare, Urbermate helps slow the appearance of premature aging caused by the sun and UV rays, and the result should be younger looking, more radiant, energized skin. Why do I love Good Molecules? I love Good Molecules for a lot of reasons. I love Good Molecules because if you look at the package, they will tell you exactly all the ingredients in the product. They'll also tell you the percentages of the ingredients in the product, which I really like. They're totally transparent. And this is a vegan gel formula. It's very soothing. It can layer under your makeup, so you can wear it all day. You can wear it during the daytime in the AM and also in the PM. It's fragrance free. And one of the most important things, it's cruelty free. Love Good Molecules, love their prices. And I can honestly say this eye gel, if I can find it once I get to Arizona, if I can't find it, I will be buying it myself. But this eye gel is fabulous. It makes your eye area look so good, so soothing, just kind of really brightens up that whole eye area. I put it all underneath and all around my eyes. Doesn't burn, doesn't sting. Fabulous. Love that eye gel from Good Molecules. The other thing I wanted to show you is a skincare item from a company that I'm not familiar with, and let me grab the container a minute. Hold on. Okay, it is from a company called, I think, Noomi Stockholm. This is a Birch Tech Hybrid Overnight Serum / Cream. Let me tell you a little bit about this. They say it's 100% natural. It is a Birch Tech Hybrid, which is a 100% natural waterless product. It comes from the evergreens of the Nordic forests. It's formulated with 55% pure enzyme-rich Nordic birch sap. It's also fortified with antioxidants and polyphenols that are also extracted from wild-grown extracts. It is multi multifunctional. It contains Swedish lingonberries and also hyaluronic acid. What I like about this product is I really like what this is formulated with. It's formulated with lingonberries. It also contains retinol and it also contains hyaluronic acid. I'm testing this out right now for this company. Love the consistency of this. I've been putting this on at night. I'm going to let you know about this. What it says on the back is it says renew and revitalize your skin with our concentrated blend of time-tested actives that come from Swedish botanicals. It's a very intensive anti-aging product. It's going to give you more youthful skin. And what else I like about this company is they are eco-conscious. It contains only what your skin needs, and it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Another cruelty-free product. So I'll let you know about this. What I do with my skincare normally is I normally use Retin A several times a week, and then in between Retin A, I use just retinols. I am basically using some type of retinol or Retin A product on my skin every night. I don't have any dryness. If you look at my skin right now, I think you can see this camera is like super HD, my new camera. I love it. But you can see I have absolutely no dryness on my skin from Retin A. I use a lot of products to kind of counteract any dryness, so I really like just really super smooth skin. This is a really nice product also. I'm going to leave a link for this product and also that eye gel serum down in my description box so you can check them out. I think that is everything I wanted to tell you guys. I think I'm going to be leaving sometime the first or second week in February. What is really crazy is I am planning my move around my medications, and that is so sad. I have 2 medications that are listed under the class where they are controlled substances. That's what I wanted to say, controlled substances. Arizona pharmacies have rules as to what they will transfer in and how you have to transfer in your medications. It's really such a pain in the neck. I'm trying to get most of my medications filled really well before I leave to go to Arizona, so there's no issue. I will be coming back and staying in Colorado for the summer at my house because I still have so much stuff to kind of get settled here. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with my house. I'm not sure if I'm going to be renting it out for a while or what I'm going to be doing. I really am very reluctant to sell my house in Colorado because it's in such a good location. If I sell my house here, I'll never be able to live in this area again because the prices are so expensive here for homes. I was lucky enough to get my home at a really good price because the owners were going through a divorce and they wanted it sold. To get a home now in my area is very difficult, and the area I live in, there are no homes for sale right now. So I'm very reluctant to sell my house because if I do sell my house, I will be shut out completely of this market. And I just want to make sure I'm very comfortable in Arizona first. I can tolerate living there all year long. The one thing I do like about living in Arizona is I'm going to be 5 hours from Palm Springs and not too far away from San Diego. So my one son who does live in San Francisco, I'll be closer to him. The other thing that's crazy is my one son that lives in San Francisco is still living with us because he's in the trial with us in Colorado, which is crazy. I'm in the trial, my husband's in the trial, and my older son's in the trial, but my younger son did not want to do it. He's going to be going back and forth with us, but he's going to be driving his car back to Arizona with us in February, and then eventually he'll drive back to San Francisco to his apartment. I think that's it for now, guys. Talk to you soon. I will give you any updates on anything going on. I'll show you my new house when I get there. I'm not going to have much furniture. The only thing I'm going to have when I get there is going to be some beds and my dining room table and a couch, and the couches will eventually be coming, but I'm going to need a makeup vanity. I don't know what else I'm going to need when I get there. I'll figure that out once I'm there. I really didn't look at the house that much. The market in that area is so hot right now that you basically almost have to bid on the house when you see it, when it shows up on the market or it's sold within a couple days. It's crazy right now. That's it for now. Talk to you soon, guys. Take care. Bye-bye from Marla.